do an oil change on a 5.7 Ram 1500 two-wheel drive. You're gonna need 5 quarts, a gallon, and 2 quarts. Still got some leftover from last oil change. I got this filter, oil filter. So we got the 5.7 Hemi. What I like to do on this oil changing is remove the cap first. Leave it on the side. Now down there to remove the oil drain plug. Keeper. So yeah, my bad for the finger. So this is the drain plug for the oil, for the engine oil. Looks like a 15. See if I got it right. Nope, it's 16. Yep, it's 16. Using a Icon wrench from Harbor Freight. Give me a second, guys. Let me get a good angle for y'all. Alright, we back. We got it loose. Got a fitter oil pan. We don't spray that much oil. And boom. Just like that. Oil looks bad, really bad. The oil filter is located on the passenger side of the front of the engine. Sorry about the camera. We got it off already. We're using STP filter. The golden one supposedly is better. Kind of made a mess right there. We're using 5W20 synthetic oil, high mileage. My truck has 123,000 miles. Alright, put the oil in.